Peace, family. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today is going to be a short tutorial on how to look for shorts in the market. Today, as I was going through the market, I noticed that Near Protocol was coming on to a short, and we're going to look at some things and see how we can identify shorts or potential areas to gain from shorts in the market or shorting the market. So let's go ahead and take a look. Right now, I'm on a 1 hour time frame for Near Protocol. Now, right here is where we had our bottom. Let me pull this down. So this was our bottom, almost a double bottom, actually. Pull that down just a little bit more. So right here was almost a double bottom. Might as well say it was. So that gave you your confirmation on that was your base. So here was 1 touch, 2 touch. So that was your low. And you had a higher low here. Bring that down. And you had another higher low here. So once you achieved the confirmation of that higher low, that would have let you know that was indication to go ahead and start being bullish in the market. So now, once we've seen that we were bullish in the market, now you start looking for areas of retracement. And as you can see, Near is actually dropping as we speak. So let's take a look and see how much of a percentage gain we had. That was a 38.22% return over the course of 12 days. It was 38.22% over the course of 12 days and 2 hours. So now let's take a look. This was our high right there. That was our high. And just below that was a lower high right here. And now you can start to see the areas of take profit. And we had another lower high here. So that really was the indication that I was looking for, that let me know that we were starting to begin to sell off. And I entered a position on this short. Let's take a look. I entered a position at $13. I'm starting to short this asset at $13. I'm currently in profit 1.88% currently. Now, this is what you want to do. There's a few things that you could take a look at that'll let you know a short is coming in. Let's take a look at our EMAs. Now you're breaking below your 20-day. You have not closed below your 20-day just yet. I'm looking to see if we can get an actual close below this 20-day moving average right here. If we get the close below the 20-day moving average, which would be about 1296, then that would be my confirmation that price could either come to about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that at 1272. Now, shorting this from here, and I got in at, what was that, $13 I said? So from there to here is about a 2.12% return. On a 5x leverage, that would be 10%. on a 20x leverage, that would be what? 20%. So that would be 20% return. Depending on how much capital that you use, this could make for a pretty decent short. I'm actually looking to short this asset on the levels. So my first area of take profit is going to be right here on this orange line. And then if it breaks below that, I'll take profit again above or below or above this 100-day right here. Now, if it breaks that, and this be my last area to take profit on this blue line. So all in all, I could see, make sure we get this on the 13. I could very well see roughly a 9% return out of this short. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but I will be trading it to the downside and taking profit on every target that I'm looking to hit. Now, let's take a look at this fib right here. I'm turning on my Fibonacci tool. Fib retracement right here. Oh snap, let me turn that back off. I made a mistake, hold on. Right there. I'm gonna put it on this low and I'm gonna swing it to this high. Now, from this fib retracement, our 236 is below the 50-day. 236 is below the 50-day. Now, your 382 is coming in at $12.02. And then your 200-day is below your 382. A full Fibonacci retracement is between a 382 and a 618. So this could actually come lower than this 200-day, but I'm only trading this on a 1 hour right now. So let's get some more confirmations in here. I'm going to do the MACD, which is the moving average convergence divergence, and then the relative strength index. Now, as we can see, we're negative. We do have negative momentum coming in the last 2 hours. Currently, we're on this one. So you will be getting that selling pressure from this negative momentum. Let's take a look at the RSI. Now look at this. I want you to pay attention. This right here was your high. This was your lower high here. You had another lower high here. So high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, sell. So you were getting weak on your RSI. Had you been paying attention, you can short the market using that method. When you have lower highs, and it'll follow price action as well. Now, sometimes it doesn't follow price action, but you got to pay attention to the strength of the asset. So sometimes price action will keep going up, but the strength of your asset is going down. So we were getting all of these pumps. Everything was pumping, but even though it was pumping, you were still getting weak on the strength of the asset. And because of that weakness, we were able to exploit the price. So right now, it looks like we're still not getting that close below the 20-day, but I'm still going to hold this. Now, if it closes above that high, that recent high that we had, this previous high right here, if it closes above that, then I'm going to go ahead and close this short, because I'm basing it off of lower highs. When I usually get these lower highs, they usually are followed by new lows. So I'm just going to wait and see if it plays out the way that I'm expecting it to play out. And hopefully we will be in profit. But I'm not going to take too much of a loss if it closes back above $13.04. So I'm not tripping. I'm just going to go ahead and hold this and see exactly where it will take me. So with that being said, that's usually how I like to look for my short positions. And you have to use these indicators. You have to use those. Those will be your guide. But I usually like to play it on the strength of the asset. If the asset is strong, then I'm going to go ahead and play it to the bullish side. But if the asset is getting weak, then I'm going to play it to the downside. So with that being said, that is how I short the market. And by the way, this is not financial advice. Please do not take this as such. With that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here. Hopefully this video is helpful to the viewers, and y'all have a good day. Peace, honey.